Hello everyone, my name is Tor and welcome to Anthropology. To today's video. So today I'll just be doing an unboxing of the purchase that I got from my recent shopping vlog. So within that vlog, I went to Prada. I had an appointment with my SA Kumi, so if you're in Vancouver and you like to shop at Prada, go visit the Alberni store. Basically, I wasn't allowed to film much of the store itself, but basically she allowed me to film a lot of the products of the new Spring Summer 21 collection, which includes a lot of the new stuff that was designed in collaboration with Raf Simons as a co-creative director. So if you're interested in seeing that shopping vlog, I will link it above and below. So this wasn't a very expected purchase. I basically went in because I wanted to visit the store, see the new collection, and also I haven't shopped at Prada in a long time, so I wanted to see what their new stuff was. I saw a lot of the jewelry that they have is really nice, and that is something that I will be unboxing for you shortly. I really wanted to get a feel of the new vibe that Raf Simons was bringing in. There's also a lot of stuff that's in collaboration with another artist. I forget his name. So without further ado, let's get into the unboxing. So classic Prada white bag. I don't want to undo that. Maybe we'll just open her up. So inside, receipt, and the box itself. So here we have the box, obviously. So there's a lot within this box. It's not a traditional box from Prada that opens like splits in two. This one opens up like this, like a jewelry box. So I've never purchased jewelry from Prada before. This is my very first time. So I was new to the whole experience. In the box comes their RFID thing. A lot of brands have been doing this. It's to help authenticate items. Super fakes have been a real big issue within the luxury community. So this new RFID technology helps authenticate items as well. We have an authenticity card and we have a little booklet. So basically it says carefully selected original materials are combined with the simple, well-balanced lines to reflect the refined style of a new Prada range of jewelry. So this is in 0.925 sterling silver, but it's gold. So inside there's like a little box, and here we have the rings. So here's the ring. So it's the classic Prada triangle, but it's raised. I got it to fit my pinky. So essentially, this is what we have going on here. I really love it. I think it's very cool, very fun. Also comes with this little travel pouch. So this is so cute. I just open it up, but it's just like a little place for like the ring to sleep. So it's a gorgeous ring. I love it so much. I think the size is 9. So this is called the Anelli in Metallo Logo Jewels Argento Dorado. It's a lot of Italian. The original price was $7.75 plus tax. After tax it was $8.68, but it is sterling silver and I believe I'll have it for a long time. So they had another version of this ring that is silver and has the enamel black plaque. I was originally looking at getting that one, but it was $200 more, so it was $9.95. And I figured since I have all gold jewelry, this was going to be a better addition to my current collection. I love it a lot. I think it's gorgeous. It's quite heavy because it's not hollow, it's full. And well, I guess it's filled, but it's really nice. I love it so much. I am worried about it tarnishing, but I feel like if I just take care of it like you do any sort of sterling silver jewelry, you know, it shouldn't tarnish, but I guess we'll see how it goes. So within the authenticity card, oh, it's a paper one. So this is different, new. It just says Prada Alberni, May 8th, 2021. This Prada product is granted a guarantee covering on all manufacturing defects. And it's RFID and it has an RFID number. So this is interesting. I've never seen a paper one before. But basically this is it. Not too much to say. If you're interested in seeing the shopping vlog, I'll link it down below. But yeah, if you're interested in seeing more of my picture content as opposed to my video content, feel free to check out my Instagram, same name. I post pictures of my cat, pictures of me. We go back and forth. It's a shared account, more or less. Thanks for watching. See y'all next time. you.